Howdy everybody, Gator John back at you. Been a while. I've been kind of getting behind, but been real busy with a lot of things been going on. Trying to deal with my mom's estate. We got to sell that. Got a bunch of rigmarole you got to go through. So I've been busy. I wanted to do something different today. I was smoking something called Golden Harvest. I was smoking it in my pretty little old Missouri Pride that I kind of painted up or whatever. But I want to show you something about lighters today. I want to talk about zippos. And I know that all of you have seen videos, probably after videos. Some are good. I'm sure they're great. But I just thought I'd show you a quick way how I clean my lighters. Here's how a lighter's supposed to work, Zippo. Okay, zip two, but most usually, if they're working right, that's what they do. This one's starting to get a little bit dirty. But here's one that's real dirty. And it's full of fluid. The reason it's not lighting is because it's dirty and there's corruption on the wheel. See what I'm saying? And one of the things that I found, you put some cotton out of your Zippo before, right? And it's clean in there. So one of the best cleaning fluids got to be lighter fluid, I would think. But I don't just take all the cotton out and dunk it and let it sit and all that. I have, and you can. I'm going to kind of show you a quick way to clean it up, get you by. Just get you a little bit of lighter fluid, little container. And you take your lighter. And you get it, wet with lighter fluid. These little deals have got this top piece comes out if you want to take it out. But this is how I clean my lighters. And for the most part, it cleans good. It is nice to be able to soak them. I'll soak them like this, just kind of set them down like that for a while. But it really does work pretty good. And your primary problem with lighting is your wheel. So that little piece right here pops off. Throw that down there in your lighter fluid. And I use these things. Just cut me a little strip. About like that. And take that. Get some lighter fluid on that. And you clean down inside here like this. They work real well. I got that one a little bit too thick, wide. They actually work pretty good. Now I realize that this could stand a more thorough cleaning, but you get the gist of it. Most people probably already know how clean lighters, but I like to use lighter fluid because I just think it does good. I've tried alcohol, used alcohol, but it just seemed like to me that this stuff does better. Because you'll cut cut that where it'll fit down in there. I'll just throw stuff all over me. Cut that sander so it'll fit in there better. Get it wet, about this way, down the inside. And that's what I use to clean the insides with. I normally don't ever let my lighters get as dirty as this one is, but occasionally I'm not paying attention. This is one I use a lot, and I'll just grab it. It's very effective. That gum skeeters are starting to come out. I don't like skeeters. But for now, that's just a quick cleanup. You can get your paper towel and wipe it off and out here. And it should work totally different now. But like I say, see, it's still dirty on that side. I let it go for a while. But pretty much, and even with this a little bit of lighter fluid, I will continue after we're over. You know, when I get off video, I'll go ahead and finish it. But I just wanted to show you that little thing. Probably ain't nobody knows. I mean, everybody probably already knows how to do that, but here's how it's supposed to work. You see the difference already, don't you? Uh-oh. There we go. That's making zippos work. That's Gator John. Thank you all for stopping in. Appreciate everybody out there. Pray you have a great weekend. God bless you all. Be blessed and bless someone. Bye.